Welcome back to another crypto video. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you're doing fantastic. We're going to check out Harmony One today, and we're trading at $0.32, rank 46, 3.7 billion market cap, and we can see that over the 30 days we're still up a whopping 62.3%. So that is really good to see. Over 24 hours we have bounced back pretty humongously with 13% pump. So we're looking pretty good. And just before we get into those charts, do subscribe to the channel if you like the content, leave a comment below, and also hit the thumbs up button. So we're going to look at Harmony One today because it's one of our favorite projects, and you can see we've been looking at this for a long time, ever since that 0.05 region back in May. You know, that was a really key accumulation opportunity, and when that happened we fell to the 0.786 Fibonacci, and now we've got the next impulse complete. You can see that the golden Fibonacci was where we fell to this time, the 0.618. So that was a really also a key area, you know, of support that we could also leave a little support label there. So this is what's kind of happening on the daily time frame. We're getting those highs. You know, we're getting the swing low, the swing high, the swing low, the swing high over here. So we did produce a higher high from this level, but that 0.34 swing high from before is a significant level of support, as you can see there. And if we hop into that 4-hour time frame, you know, it's also showing just as much that it's a very key area of support. We've touched 0.34 many times, and that's just where we're failing to kind of break through. And even this 0.31 level is also very big resistance levels. So that's what we need to kind of look out for in the long term. Can we see more retracement from this? Because an impulse here, a retracement here. Now we've had an impulse, and if this is the end of the uptrend here, you know, can we come down to lower levels such as 0.25 or 0.27, because we've had a lot of thrill and euphoria in the market. So if we jump into the 1-hour time frame, what I can kind of see happening in the short term is that maybe we are trading in kind of a rising wedge style pattern. You know, you can change these lines however you wish. This will make it more of an ascending channel, and that will bring us back up to our 0.32 resistance. And if we break through that, we'll see that 0.34 level once again. And you know, if we break through that, that's when we say hello to 0.38 and such. But I think, you know, looking at the RSI, we can see it's just coming down each time. The RSI is coming down, but the price isn't really doing much. So it's looking a little bit bearish in some sense. Nobody is really seeing much momentum, as you can see. So we found clear support at 0.25 from a few days ago, back on the 5th of January, and it's fantastic that we got a massive pump. We're back up 26%, so $10,000 here would be, you know, like 12.5k already, $1,000, 1.25k already, and that's just on a one-to-one spot trade. So what I think can happen is maybe we retest this 0.3 level of support and we come back up, and hopefully we see 0.32 sometime soon, and then we break the resistance to 0.34, break that resistance to 0.38, and if not, we fall, you know, we lose support, we go short, and we start seeing the 0.27 levels play out. We have, of course, got this horizontal resistance, or this diagonal resistance from this resistance, so lots of support along here. If we did break out, you know, your 0.27 levels, very key support area. And of course, where this wick is, we have massive support at 0.25. So these could be really key buy-in zones, 0.25, 0.27, 0.28. Should we, you know, come back down and kind of trade in a sort of symmetrical triangle, if we did fall out of this wedge and we start trading like this, you know, you can get lots of buy-in zones, buy in here, buy in here, buy in here, something like that. I don't know if it's as realistic that we all just immediately hit this resistance and then retest and then break through to the upside. I think it's more likely that we do come down to the lower levels first, such as, you know, doing this, then we break through, retest, and then we see the highs later on in the year. So I think that's maybe more potential. I don't know what you think is more likely to happen, the pink path, the green path, but I think we just need to kind of play it and see it as it comes, take it as it comes, so to speak. That at the moment we're in this kind of ascending triangle, and the big resistance mark is the 0.33, and we're be clinging on to 0.29 and 0.27 should we move any lower. I mean, Harmony One is a super good project. We all know it's really, really good, got massive potential for the future. So if we did hold it, you know, you're looking at those bigger price levels at 0.43 and price discovery, and hopefully we'll see those previous all-time highs soon. But we can just see every time we're rolling over, you know, we're getting bumped at the resistance. So it's giving more and more resistance levels as we slowly roll over, and it looks like we're kind of creating one massive descending wedge. So that's kind of what I see for Harmony over here, guys. I don't know what you think. Leave a comment down below where you think Harmony's going to go. Really love the project. I think we're going to probably see 0.34 again rather soon. If not, you know, we come back down to these support levels at like 0.28. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, leave a subscribe, hit a comment, hit the like button, and you know, I just want to thank Mud, Peter, Alp, and Kara always for being supportive. They have just received their ebooks, you know, The Art of Holding and The Turbulent World of Crypto. This is going to be the aptitude of holding, the art of speculation, and I think you'll really like the book. If you do want to receive a copy, become a patron, and I'll get that sent over to you. If you don't even like it, I mean, if you think that honestly that book adds no value to your life, I will refund you, because I'm that confident, and I think you'll enjoy the read. I think you will learn something at least, and I think it could open your eyes as to the future, and to maybe why, if you have made mistakes, it will actually make you realize why you've made those mistakes. So hopefully see you in the next video, and thanks for supporting. See you guys.